Hey everyone, it's Celeste. I just wanted to post a quick little video. I'm super busy this weekend with family that are over coming to visit from Southern California. Plus, I was helping out at the San Jose Cactus and Succulent Society sale, and I wanted to show you some of the cool plants that I got. If you are in the San Jose area or in the Bay Area in California, you can head on over. They're going to be open until 3:30 today, so and this is the last day. So you're going to want to head on over there. They are at the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds. Be sure to use Gate C. That will get you in, and you won't have to pay for parking. With that, I'll show you some of the cool plants. I got this one, the blooms. I started to close up just from yesterday, but that gives you an idea. They're huge. You couldn't actually, from the top, you couldn't even see the cactus underneath because the blooms are so big, but still pretty. Put it in this cute little pot with the blue fire glass. It's one of my favorite things to put these cactus inside of these pots with the fire glass. So these are two that I got last year. You can see this guy is going to start blooming here pretty soon. That's those little baby blooming buds on there, so I'm excited when those come out. I'm getting a baby right here on this guy. This one, if I remember, it's the flying saucer, so hopefully I'll get some blooms here pretty soon now that it's starting to warm up. There's a few more mammillarias, super cute. Aeoniums are still going strong. Here's a baby from last year, working hard. This guy, just absolutely love, and you can see the blooms are going to come out here pretty soon. So that is just the coolest. You can't wait till those come out. And I'm going to show you, not move too quickly here, show you some of the other plants that I got. There's a Luna bug variety with the wiggle tail. So let's head on over here, and you can see a few more that I purchased this weekend. Absolutely stunning. This one wasn't blooming yesterday, so this is really cool to see it blooming. This one's about to bloom. I saw these last year and I didn't buy them, and then I regretted it for an entire year, so I went ahead and got them this time, because I didn't think I was going to be able to handle going another year without it. I especially like this one on the left. I don't know, something about it, it's just really cool, and very beautiful red flowers that are about to come out, so that's super exciting to see that. Then I'm going to show you this one, which is just an absolute stunner. Super beautiful. Look at those blooms. I mean, that is just too gorgeous. So there was no way I was leaving that sale without this guy coming home. So this is what it looks like when you have cactus in your yard, folks. You go into super bloom season, and this is what it turns into, and it's got some more blooms coming out. You can see right there. They're starting to pop out. So really beautiful. Just absolutely stunning. So yeah, if you are in the Bay Area, make sure you head on over to that San Jose Cactus and Succulent sale. This is the type of plants that you can get. And as always, if this content's helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Thanks. Bye.